So we're at a different skate park today.
I destroyed the bushings in my other set of Grindking lockers. So I've only got one functioning set right now, but I have a friend coming who 3D printed me some.
I've actually seen clips of people ollieing out of this bank over this into the sidewalk there. And I don't know how they actually did this. Like, you'd have to be going so fast. This park's not that big. Look how far this is. And even if you did that, ollie, you have to land perfectly in this sidewalk and not run into that pole right there. Coming from that angle. So my friend's got the orange Grindking lockers on the orange Sprack board. Sprack is an indoor park, and yeah, he made some perfect 3D printed bushings. It's even got that groove on the bottom bushing, and this is just what I needed because I completely destroyed my bushings the day before. And I didn't tell him that. I didn't actually tell anybody. I'm pretty scraped up right now, but I actually got a lot of skating in. So I stuck the new bushings in, and they feel just like the normal bushings. Really solid. It's not cracking, melting, bending, or anything at all. He actually made me some deck rails for another video that hasn't come out yet. And he might make some pivot cups too. So yeah, here's his Instagram if you want to follow him. So when I go to a different skate park, I usually find the weirdest thing and just skate it the whole time. Try to get something on it, maybe something that nobody's really done before. I know the camera decided to just film my face this whole time. You know, I wish there was a setting where you could just film the feet. The Flow Pro 2 from Insta360 with the iPhone 16, it's a gimbal. But, you know, occasionally it got my trick in the shot. I think it's so crazy that coincidences like this happen. It's like God's watching out for me, you know? I lose my bushings on the back truck. They're completely destroyed. The next day, somebody's like, hey man, I made you some bushings. We worry about stuff all the time. But, I mean, look at the flowers of the field. They don't worry. And they're dressed more beautifully than us. You know, look at the birds of the air. They don't worry about where they're going to get their next meal, and they're always fed. So don't worry about the little things. I was thinking, oh man, I'm going to have to ask Grindking for some more bushings right after I just asked them for a hanger because I broke the hanger. But it's actually still holding up. It's cracked, but it's holding up really well. So yeah, sometimes we just need to simplify and just think about what really matters in life. What really matters to you? Focus on that. You don't have time to focus on everything else or everybody else. What's one thing in your life that you're doing wrong that you can improve on? Focus on improving that one thing. Whether that's skating, whether that's something that has to do with morality. Just focus on that one thing for a week. Don't get distracted by TV, by worries and stuff. Just focus. It doesn't matter what other people think of you, you know? I've really been getting into making these shorts, the reaction videos in the shorts lately, and they've been doing really well. They got a few million views this week. I had a video of Andy Anderson where I talked over it, and it got more views than the original video of him. I've noticed on those shorts, I get so many comments, I can't even reply to all of them on those, but I've noticed a lot of people say the exact same things over and over and over to the point where it makes you think, like, are these people or are they NPCs? Like, I believe that everybody has a soul. I know there's that Gnostic belief that there are people that have their soul died before their body, but that's not something I believe. But it just makes you think, makes you wonder sometimes. It's crazy how much the sun means to me. Like, I really enjoy warm weather. It feels so good. Other than that, the lockers are still holding up really good. I'm still enjoying the SYS grip tape and the Splays shoes. I'll keep you guys updated on these bushings, if they're ever for sale, or if they break or anything like that. I'll probably do a more updated video on them because I've only skated them for 1 day so far. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit the subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.
What would you like to see in the future on these long form videos and on my shorts? What would you like to see me react to? Who is your all-time favorite skater? Would you like me to react to their skating in the shorts?